Hey guys, I forgot about this other hill in the small town where I'm near. So I'm gonna go down it and then back up the hill. It's a much steeper hill than the one I went up previously. So I'm gonna do full throttle and then maybe a half throttle video and see what the difference is. Anyway, enjoy. I'm not sure if you can hear that, but at the bottom part of this hill it really got quite a bit steeper as the tractor started taking off, so let's see what happens. Major difference from what it used to be. It worked it a little bit, but it wasn't certainly wasn't overwhelming. The tractor had a lot of power left over.